Welcome to Puffin Factory, where the enchanting world of handmade crochet animals comes to life against the stunning backdrop of Iceland. Nestled in the heart of this picturesque country, our company takes pride in crafting adorable crochet animals, with a special emphasis on charming and beloved puffins. Situated in the quaint coastal town of Eyrarbakki, our collection point serves as a hub of creativity and craftsmanship. Inspired by the rich cultural tapestry of Iceland, our skilled artisans meticulously handcraft each crochet animal, infusing them with personality and warmth. At Puffin Factory, we believe in spreading joy worldwide through our delightful creations. Our dedicated team ensures that these charming crochet puffins, and other animal companions, find their way into homes across the globe. Whether you're in Reykjavik, New York, Tokyo, or anywhere in between, our products can reach you, bringing a touch of Icelandic whimsy and craftsmanship to your doorstep. Each crochet animal is more than just a product, it's a piece of art that reflects the passion and dedication of our artisans. By choosing the Puffin Factory, you not only bring home a unique and handmade creation but also support the artistry and tradition of Icelandic craftsmanship. Join us in celebrating the magic of handmade crochet animals and let the adorable puffins and other creatures from Puffin Factory find a special place in your heart and home.